I'm a representative of Genius Tech and Engineering, and I'll be your tutor today. Get ready. We're going to make learning simple, practical, and exciting.
In this lecture, we will see how to download resources and how to change video speed. Open AutoCAD 2D and 3D Modern House Design course in Google Chrome or any other web browser. Then go to here, lecture number 1, course introduction. You can see here resources. Click here, you can see house design dot rare. Click here, you can see here download started. Once this download finish, after that you can see here, click here, select here show folder. You can see it will go to the download folder. You can see here house design dot rare. Select this, right click, you can see here WinRAR. If you don't have this WinRAR, go to the Google, search WinRAR, download it, install it in your computer, then only you will get like this WinRAR. Go to here, extract to house design. You can see it is extract. Double click this one, double click this folder. You can see image, PDF, CAD, texture. Double click this PDF. You can see here various PDF file. Double click this one. You can see here all the 2D and 3D drawing. You can use this drawing for your best learning. You can see here this is dimension style creation. This is template creation. Then go to the CAD. You can see here this all the drawings you can use. Texture for door creation, you can use this all the texture. Go to here, you can see playback rate. Click here, you can see here various speed, 1.25 or 1.5 speed. You will get better learning. You can increase here video speed. You can finish this course very early. In this lecture, we will see 2D house project introduction and how to make navigate in AutoCAD 2D. You can see in this PDF total 9 pages. First 4 page 2D, this all the thing 3D. This all the drawing you will create in AutoCAD. You can see here all the views you need to create in model space. You can create layer, you can create text style, dimension style, text, everything I will teach you here. Properly you need to create this all the views. Everything you will get it in this course. After finish this views, you need to arrange inside layout. You need to create page setup, and you can create this title block. How to create this all the thing you will get it in this course. All the 4 layout we can arrange like this, and how to print everything I will teach you. Next you can see if you want to navigate, if you want to zoom, pan, I will teach you that. Go to here, view, select here navigation bar. This is navigation bar. In this first one you can see pan. Select this one, click and hold left click, you can pan like this. Press escape key in your keyboard, you can exit from the command. Or press and hold mouse center button, you can pan it like this. Release the mouse center button, you can exit from that command. Next you can see here, click this drop down, you can see here few zoom tool. Sometime you are in this situation, You are searching your drawings. It is not showing here. You can select here zoom extend. All the views you can see here. Next you can see zoom window. Particular area you want to zoom, you can use. Click the first corner, click the next corner, you can zoom like this. Next important one, zoom object. You can select object, then press enter, you can see that object zoom. Or using mouse center button, you can zoom. Rotate the mouse center button, you can make zoom in, zoom out. Or if you double click mouse center button, you can make zoom extend. Best of luck. Definitely this course will teach you the complete cycle of operation in this house design. In this lecture we need to start new house project 2D in AutoCAD. If you installed AutoCAD 2024 or any other version in your computer, you can see like this shortcut icon. If you don't have like this, go to the search here AutoCAD. You can see the application. If you click this application, AutoCAD home page will open. Then click here new, click this drop down, select here open with no template Imperial. In this project we are going to use Imperial unit. Imperial unit means feet and inches, that is Imperial unit. You can see new file open. Type UN in your keyboard. UN means unit. Then press enter in your keyboard. Select here engineering. Select here precision. Select this one. Select here inches. Other all the thing keep as it is. Click OK. Then go to the file menu. Click here. Then click here save. Go to the desktop. Right click new. Select here folder. Make it here house design. Click outside, double click this folder, make it here file name modern house design 1, modern house design 1. Select here any one lower version. Here I select 2013. Up to 2013 all the version you can open this file. Click here save. You can see file name, you can see the location. If you go to the desktop, you can see the folder. Double click this one. You can see here what we created the file. Go to the AutoCAD. Type LIM. LIM means limit. Type LIM in your keyboard, then press enter. You can see specify lower left corner. Lower left corner. Left side, this is the corner. 0, 0. Simply enter, because this origin always 0, 0. X direction 0, Y direction 0. You can see this value X direction and this is Y direction value. Simply press enter in your keyboard. Specify upper right corner. This is upper right corner. Make it here 100 feet, comma 100 feet, press enter. Then type Z in your keyboard. Z for zoom. Press enter. Select here all. Click here save.
Thank you for watching this video and kindly drop your question in the comment box.